Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. And apart from the TD Ameritrade, as you guys know, my Webull account got a margin call because I uh, made a fourth day trade in 5 day time period. So I cannot take day trades in my Webull account, and basically I'm just using it as a cash account, but I can just swing positions overnight, or I can just take overnight trade, and that's what I am doing right now. So yesterday on Monday, before market close on Monday, I opened four positions with Nvidia, Netflix, Amazon, and Wayfair. So let's talk about Nvidia Trade first. So as you can see here, I bought 195 call weekly call on Nvidia. Why? Because Nvidia, if you look at the daily chart, Nvidia was following this trend line, bottom trend line, and yesterday when I saw at the market close, it was close to this trend line, or maybe you can say it rejected that trend line and I kind of like consolidating upwards or gaining some momentums towards the bullish side. So when I saw that, I thought, okay, it's a good opportunity to catch this uh, move, because tech sector bleeded a lot and it was set to rebound. So I took that opportunity and placed a trade. So I bought Nvidia 195 call for $5.5, and I sold it for 555. So made $50 profit on that. Now I was a little bit anxious because we are still not recovered completely. We are not in a strong bullish market. If you see this Nvidia stock, it is following this big trend line where it is kind of respecting this previous highs, kind of acting as a support. It bounces back two times before, and now it's Nvidia is at that critical level of 204. If it breaks, it will go even higher, probably to 209, and then towards 218. But if it fails to break that, it will then again retest this lower trend line, probably around 197, and if it broke down, then it will come back to 179 or 187. Now let's move on to the Netflix. Yesterday, when I was placing this overnight trades, I was looking at the chart. I'm noted down all the tickers or all the stocks that I want to place a trade on, and Netflix was one of the trade that I screwed, because instead of buying a call spread, I bought put spread, and I was under the impression that I am having a call spread. But when I saw the Netflix is turning around, and I just I just took a look at my trade, and then I saw this put, like, oh, I said, like, oh my god, how can I screw this up? So I bought it for 240 and sold it for 125. So lost probably around 100 $15 over there. So yeah, no big deal. Mistake happens, learn from that. The next trade is Amazon. Amazon is such a beast. Is when it moves, it moves. And let me show you what I mean by that. So on a 1 hour chart, yesterday Netflix was closed at its bottom, like it was at this support level. Okay, so when I saw that it's moving close to the support level, I thought, like, okay, if it is at its support, then probably it's going to bounce. It will bounce at least $5 to $10, and usually Amazon moves probably $15 to $20 whenever it, in whichever direction you take, either it's a bullish or bearish. It completes that point move. So same thing happened over here. Opened up the trade nicely of 3200 to 3205, and it made this beautiful move. But the concerning factor is now it's curling back. It's showing some bearishness, and I hope it will hold this trend line. If it not, then it will again retest this, and if it couldn't hold that level, then probably it will come down toward the 3135 level. But Amazon is a great buy since the Christmas season is coming. Everyone will shop. Pandemic is not that severe as a as of last year, so it will probably move high. Let's move on to the final trade of Wayfair. So Wayfair is another ticker symbol which is like playing close to its support line, and based on that, I opened up the trade, and it made a decent move, to be honest. It was the low of Wayfair on 4th was around 237, and today it moved close to 246. That means it made a move of of around like $6 to $7, which is a good move considering we are in the downtrend. But Wayfair was moving very slowly, and option volume was not that good, so I didn't take any chances and closed my position with $4 profit. Oh yeah, here 260, sold 260, and Wayfair bought 256. So after paying some commission, I guess I made around like $3.97. Okay, so I bought Amazon for 270 and sold it for 303. So made around like $33 over there. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Kind of like a break-even day for me, and hopefully um, tomorrow will be a good day. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you will trade cautiously and will make some money tomorrow, and I hope you did the same today. So yeah, see you guys in the next recap. Thank you for watching and have a good night. Bye.